Every batch of golden mango pulp begins with carefully selected fresh mangoes, harvested at the perfect stage of ripeness.
Only mangoes with the right color, size, and ripeness are selected for high-quality golden mango pulp.
The harvest begins carefully, with each ripe mango removed from the tree to protect the fruit before it reaches the processing factory.
After harvesting, the fresh mangoes are placed carefully into ventilated crates to protect their quality during transport.
Each harvest is weighed and recorded before the fresh mangoes begin their journey to the processing facility.
Once collected, the fresh mangoes are carefully loaded for transport to the processing factory, where their transformation will begin.
After leaving the orchard, the fresh mangoes arrive at the processing plant, where a complete industrial transformation is about to begin.
Before processing begins, every batch is carefully inspected to ensure only fresh, high-quality mangoes continue toward pulp production. The fresh mangoes first pass through a thorough washing process to remove dirt and prepare the fruit for safe processing.
Rotating food-grade brushes gently clean the surface of each mango without damaging the valuable fruit. After washing, excess water is removed as the clean mangoes continue toward automated quality sorting.
Advanced cameras and sensors sort the mangoes by size and shape, creating a more consistent processing batch.
The next inspection checks color and ripeness, helping ensure the mangoes have the quality needed for smooth golden mango pulp.
Automated systems are supported by trained quality control workers who perform one final visual inspection before processing.
Once approved, the mangoes move into a precision peeling system that removes the skin while preserving the valuable golden fruit.
The peeled mangoes are then cut, separating the soft golden fruit flesh from the central seed. Now the transformation begins as the soft mango flesh is processed into thick, vibrant golden yellow mango pulp.
The freshly extracted mango pulp is refined to remove unwanted coarse fibers and create a smoother, more consistent texture.
After extraction and refining, the fresh fruit has become a smooth, thick golden mango pulp ready for the next stage of processing.
The smooth golden mango pulp is collected in large stainless steel tanks, ready for quality testing and preservation.
Before heat treatment, the golden mango pulp passes through fine filtration to achieve a smooth and consistent texture. The pulp is carefully homogenized to create a uniform texture and consistent quality throughout the entire batch. Samples of the smooth golden mango pulp are collected for detailed laboratory quality testing. The golden mango pulp is tested for its color, texture, and consistency to ensure every batch meets required quality standards. The smooth golden mango pulp then passes through controlled heat treatment to help preserve its quality and extend its shelf life.
After heat treatment, the golden mango pulp is carefully cooled under controlled conditions before final packaging.
After processing and testing, the final batch of smooth golden mango pulp receives its final quality approval before packaging. The approved smooth golden mango pulp now enters the high-speed aseptic filling line for safe industrial packaging. The golden mango pulp is packaged in industrial containers designed for safe transport to food and beverage manufacturers. Each container is carefully sealed to protect the smooth golden mango pulp during storage and transportation.
Finally, every sealed package receives product identification and production information before entering the storage warehouse. The sealed golden mango pulp is organized in controlled storage, ready to begin its journey to food manufacturers and markets.
After quality approval and controlled storage, finished mango pulp orders are prepared for delivery to food manufacturers and commercial customers.
The packaged golden mango pulp is loaded into temperature-controlled trucks for its journey beyond the factory.
From the processing plant, the finished golden mango pulp begins its journey to companies that transform it into products enjoyed around the world.
At its destination, the golden mango pulp becomes an important ingredient for a wide range of food and beverage products.
The smooth golden mango pulp can now become the base for beverages, desserts, fruit products, and many other foods. The journey that began with fresh mangoes in an orchard finally reaches finished mango products ready for consumers.
From a ripe mango in the orchard to a finished product on the table, every stage connects the farm to the final table. From a fresh mango in the orchard to smooth, golden pulp in a modern factory, this is the incredible journey behind one of nature's